Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Docs, guys. So when you're in Google Docs, you can use their all-powerful Gemini by just coming here top right, okay? Click on here, click on the star icon right here, and then just click on try it out, guys. You can use Gemini in your Gmail, Google Documents, and even more Google websites, guys. You can use it for a lot of different things, okay? You can use it to plan a project, create images, drafts, like meeting, scheduling, everything, guys. So I'm going to click on try it out, and there is a paid plan. Of course you have to pay, but there's also a free trial for the first month you can use, guys. All you have to do is click on a start free trial and then click on agree, and you're going to be prompted to the page where you have to enter your transaction details, okay? Your payment method, that's what you have to enter right here. But instead of that, guys, first I want to show you how. Okay, check this out, guys. So you just press start and then you create. You just click on create. For example, here they create a pitch about their elevator pitch about their roller skater. So it's actually that easy and simple, guys. You can do your prompt and you can insert this into your document. It's that easy and simple. You can do